Well, students, topic of the video is scalar triple product and vector triple product. For scalar triple product, this one axis, one axis, this one is x axis, this one is y axis, and this one is z axis. If a vector is along x axis, b vector is along y axis, c vector is along z axis, then this one is a cuboid. This one is a vector, this one is b vector, and this one is c vector. Then scalar triple product is a vector dot b cross c vector, or this one is can be written as box a vector, b vector, c vector. Now ABC, BCA having same value, CAB also same value, but if the direction is opposite, so box of A, C, B, because this one is equals to A dot minus of A dot C cross B. B cross C opposite minus C cross B. So minus ACB minus BAC or minus CBA, and this one is also written as A cross B dot C vector. This one is scalar triple product, and this one a value of the thing is scalar quantity. Let us assume if a vector is a1i, a2j, a3k, b vector is b1i, b2j plus b3k vector, and c vector is c1i, c2j plus c3k vector, then box ABC is equals to determinant of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 units. Here you see that A, B, C are three adjacent sides of a cuboid. Then volume of the cuboid is this one, box ABC cubic unit. If three vectors A, B, C are coplanar means this one is A vector, this one is B vector, and this one is C vector. If these vector lying in the plane of AB, then three vectors are coplanar. If they are not lying in the plane, this one is non-coplanar vector. If they becomes coplanar, then box ABC is equals to 0. It means if this one vector lies in the plane of AB, then the cuboid is not formed. If the cuboid is not formed, then area volume of the cuboid is 0, then box ABC is equals to 0. In short, if ABC three coplanar vectors, then box of ABC equals to 0. That means this determinant is equals to 0. If three sides of those vectors are represented by three unit vectors I, j, k. There is I cap, there is j cap, and there is k cap. Then box I, j, k is equals to 1. And there is another thing in the last topic, box ABC having value a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. If we have to find a vector, b vector, a vector, then this one becomes a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, a1, a2, a3, and value of this determinant is 0 because two rows are identical. If that means ABA is 0, A is equals to 0, or A B is equals to 0. That means any two vector of them, of 3 out of 3, any two is same, then the value of the box product is equals to 0. Similarly, ijk is 1. Why ijk is 1? Because this one is I dot j cross k, and j cross k is I, so I dot I is 1. If I j j, then this one becomes 0, or j j j, this one is also becomes 0. Now vector triple product. Vector triple product is A vector cross B cross C. We have bracket with them. Then value of this one is B vector A dot C vector minus C vector A dot B vector. Here you take this one is middle vector, so B A dot C, and the rest of the vector in the bracket is C vector C A dot B. If this one is A cross B cross C, then we take B is middle vector, then B vector A vector dot C vector minus A vector B vector dot C vector. If there is 4 vector, A vector cross B vector cross C cross D vector, then any one of them, either A cross B or C cross D, taken as one vector. Let A cross B taken as one vector, then C is middle, then C vector, using this formula, C vector A cross B dot D vector minus D in the rest of the one. D vector is A cross B dot C vector. Then C vector is A B D minus D vector is A B C. And if we take this one as a single vector and this one is unit, this one is single vector, so this one is middle vector, then B vector within bracket A vector dot C cross D. In this case we use this formula, minus A vector, rest of the one is B dot C cross D. So B vector box A vector C vector D vector minus A vector box B vector C vector D vector. This one is vector triple product. Now scalar product of 4 vectors. So A cross B dot C cross D. So this one is determinant of A vector dot C vector, A vector dot D vector, and B vector dot C vector, and B vector dot D vector. Now see that A dot C, A dot D in first row, B dot C and B dot D in second row. Now A dot C, B dot D minus B dot C, A dot E. And last of them, reciprocal of vector. What is reciprocal of vector? If there is three vectors, A vector, B vector and C vector, then reciprocal of A vector is A prime. If this one is B vector cross C vector by box A vector, B vector, C vector. In this case, A vector dot A prime is equals to A vector dot B cross C vector by box ABC, and A dot B cross C is box ABC by box ABC is equals to 1. Similarly, B prime is equals to C cross A vector by box ABC. Using this formula here, B vector dot B prime is also equals to 1, and C vector prime is equals to A cross B by box ABC. This one becomes, using this formula, C vector dot C vector prime is equals to 1. These are the all concepts of vector. In the next video, discuss vector equation.